Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Weirdo Guitar. Faouzia with a song called Weirdo. I really like this song. This is kind of Enya meets the Icelandic Björk artist there, and this it's a cool sound, cool song. And when it comes to playing, it's very easy, guys. You're gonna practice some chord switches. It goes pretty fast, but it's pretty straightforward in the same way through the entire song. Love that scenario. Let's go into it. Cape on first, that's the best setup for us. And with that, we have 5 different chords. Let's go over the chords, starting with F, okay? That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. We have A minor next. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then comes the D minor. We have open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E, and finally we have the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's go into the handling here. Let's grab the first chord F, and one string around goes down, down, up, down, up. All right, a couple of rounds. Okay, so we have a chord progression that goes F, A minor, G, D minor. That's the first half. And then the second half is very similar. It's just a difference in the end there. It's F, A minor, G, and E minor. So F, A minor, G, D minor, F, A minor, G, E minor. You're going to play one of these strum rounds per chord, and it goes like this. And that's it, guys. You're gonna do that from the beginning till the very end. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.